Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best surf fishing line you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best surf fishing line on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which surf fishing line are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Reaction Tackle Braided Fishing Line. This premium braided fishing line from Reaction Tackle is engineered from ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene, one of the strongest woven fibers on Earth. This braided line is designed to be super tough and withstand the most demanding conditions. When you need braid fishing line that's as tough as you are, trust only Reaction Tackle. People fishing braided line rigs in situations with logs and rocks know the importance using fishing line that can navigate the conditions. Reaction Tackle's freshwater and saltwater fishing line offers incredible abrasion resistance that allows you to fish around obstacles without wearing out your line. This advanced fishing line braid uses color-fast technology with UV-resistant pigments that won't easily fade when exposed to the elements. For bright and vibrant colored fishing line, Reaction Tackle. Feel every nibble and strike with Reaction Tackle's braided fishing lines. With compact weaving that lets you sense what's happening underwater, our Pro braided fishing line is the preferred choice for serious anglers who care about quality tackle. For details, let's watch more. Our second best surf fishing line is KastKing SuperPower Braided Fishing Line. KastKing SuperPower Braid Line is a fishing line like no other. This braided fishing lines are designed for increased casting distance and durability. You don't have to worry about fraying or break-offs. KastKing SuperPower Multi-Tough PE Line Braid Ultra High Molecular Weight Polyethylene Braid Fiber is made with same durable fiber that bulletproof vests are made from. Affordable KastKing SuperPower Braid Fishing Line comes in test strength ranging from 10 to 150 IB test, with many fade-resisting colors available such as gray, green, multicolor, blue, white, pink and yellow. KastKing SuperPower Braid Fishing Line is made with 4 high-strength strands, while the higher tensile strength of 65 pounds to 150 pounds has 8 powerful strands for even more smooth power. This dynamic 8-strand line is wrapped tighter than our competitor's line for a smaller profile, resulting in better casting and knot strength. There's no longer any reason to overpay for high-quality braided fishing lines anymore. Whether you are fishing freshwater or saltwater, surf fishing, ice fishing, trout fishing or bass fishing, you can count on KastKing Braid to become your next favorite braided fishing lines. KastKing is an ICAST Best of Show award-winning brand. KastKing keeps fishing fun by keeping it affordable. Number 3 in our list is RIKIMARU Braided Fishing Line. The zero-stretch material of our RIKIMARU fishing line will also guarantee great strength, smooth and speed so you can increase your catch ratio. Low memory helps you achieve a better, farther casts, less chance of wind knots. RIKIMARU Braided Fishing Line is incredibly tough and abrasion resistant. This braided fishing line is made with strong PE material and it is 8-stranded braided at 40 pounds or above so it can be long-lasting to use and high abrasion resistance to helping you catch more fish. Precision braiding and high-quality fiber is 4 pounds to 30 pounds is made with 4 strands and the 40 pounds to 180 pounds has 8 powerful strands for even more power. And a smaller profile resulting in better casting and it will make knot more easy and more strength. It's thin enough so that it can faster cutting water help your bait reach the target water layer faster than ever. And backlash is free. RIKIMARU Braided Fishing Line with the AB section dyeing technology limits the color loss of fierceness. And this ensures it gets a better color, coating life, and increased abrasion resistance. This PE fishing line is suitable for saltwater and freshwater. It has multicolor, moss green, ocean blue, dark gray, fluorescent yellow. It can meet all your needs. Fourth recommendation in our side is Berkley Trilene Monofilament Fishing Line. Berkley Trilene black Kevlar cords are built in braided constructions. In comparison to twisted lines, braided cords better resist end raveling, possess stronger strength and nicer hand touching. Taking the handcrafts and splicing needs into consideration, Kevlar cords of 550 pounds to 1050 pounds are 8 strands or 12 strands single hollow braids for you to make whoopee, loopy slings, continuous loop, etc. inherently flame resistant, withstanding extreme temperatures up to 427 degrees Celsius. To build shock lines, parachute systems for model rockets, or replace upgrade wicks of torches lamp, Kevlar cords are the unbeatable choice for you to fulfill flame-resistant demands and for applications in high temperatures. Reliable survival cord in the wild. Highly abrasion friction resistant, Kevlar cord is used as highly efficient cords friction saw to help escape from plastic zip ties, ropes or tapes, and cut through various materials including woods, plastic tubes, nylon, polyesters to complete projects. In the binding, fastening, and wrapping jobs, Kevlar line cord largely reduces risks of unexpected snaps, providing assured protection especially when in direct contact with sharp edges. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best surf fishing line list is HERCULES Braided Fishing Line. HERCULES Fishing Line braid is made from the world's super strong PE fiber and coated with unique technology, resulting in incredible abrasion resistance and knot strength at an affordable budget for freshwater or saltwater fishing. Perfect for both baitcaster rod, surf fishing rod, trolling rod, saltwater fishing rod and reel combos applications, soft and supple while providing more accurate and longer casting distance. The no-stretch properties provide faster, more powerful hook sets and incredible sensitivity to detect bite instantly. The smooth, compact, round braid fishing line saltwater construction helps the fishing lures faster to reach the target water layer than ever. Whether you fish for walleye, panfish, muskie, catfish, or fishing around structures of bridges, heavy grass cover, vegetation, or deep sea condition, HERCULES braid fishing lines take you where the fishes are, and sure you bring them home. Made from umwhoop, the world's strongest PE fiber, enhanced coating technology for more durable use, killing nightmares of losing the big one. No stretch, incredible sensitivity to detect even the slightest fish bites on your bait, and feel every bump on the bottom structure.